Hi, this is Arnachalam. Let us analyze the stock Birla Cable. This is a good company with good fundamentals, and it's all over a liquid stock, so it's good to go along in the stock. Right now, it's highly liquid stock, but once upon a time it was illiquid and forms a choppy market always. So this stock is now ready for trading. So I have found a swing trade idea in the stock. So let's analyze the swing trade in this video. So this is a monthly chart of Birla Cables, and the stock was on the same range for more than 7 years, and the stock started surging from November 2013 to 2014, and it started a downfall year after a good surgence, and it was on the choppy market for more than 2 to 3 years. Once again, after the 2 to 3 years of consolidation, the stock started up its momentum on upper side. The stock formed a small symmetrical triangle here, and it started moving higher, and the candle was very huge with very less selling pressure, and the volume is taken off in the recent days volume. So it's good stock to go long at the current market price and current market conditions. So it's good to go long in the stock. And after a huge surge, the stock fell almost 60 to 70 percentage, and once again started a choppy market. And now the current market is very good for the stock. And look at the same pattern follows everywhere. After a huge choppy market, the stocks started moving, and it takes a small consolidation here and there and starts a huge surge. So the same pattern is happening here. So one can expect a huge move till the price range of 219, which is almost 100% upside. So in the weekly chart, let me draw the major supply zone for the stock. So this area can be taken as the major supply zone for the stock. So let me draw it. So look at the market. The market, after hitting the supply here, it started falling, and here also it took a retracement at the same level, and once again the stock tried to move higher, but it failed, and just now it's taking a higher move, and it also shows a good reverse head and shoulder pattern. So it's a good stock to go long. One can take this as a target for the stock. Let me draw it. So one can expect a up move of price range of 139, which is a up move considered because of the dip of the inverted head and shoulder, and it is also a major supply zone for the stock. Once it was a demand zone, but it will act as a supply at current market price. So the stock is already up by 20% from the inverse head and shoulder pattern breakout. So one can expect a small up move only, but it's a good stock to go long for long term because it will take the 200 range very easily. So one can expect a large move. So in the short term we can expect a 19%. So let's move to the daily chart to analyze the chart further. Before moving to the daily chart, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you will get the notifications of the videos immediately, and join us on Telegram. And now it's a daily chart. In daily chart it closed with a huge candle with no sellers, so it's a good stock to go long. And the next candle shows a huge sell off, but it's just a profit booking. The stock will remain the stock will remain uptrend till it makes a huge downfall. So the buyers didn't let the price to move below this range, so the stock is clearly in the bull side. One can expect a huge 20% up move within a matter of few weeks, so one can focus it on the current market price, and one can expect the stock to take a retracement at Fibonacci's 0.618 level. So one can expect the stock to move to the price range of 108 and take its momentum, or the stock may go like this also. So one should be investing in the reverse pyramid method. So one can invest a 25% or about 30% of amount here, and one can expect a 25% of amount here. and if the stock failed to break here, or if it broke the 0.5 level, then one should book losses. But if the stock started moving higher, if the stock moves up the price range of 114, then one can consider it as a bullish signal to go long. So one can put the another 50% here, so that you will be edging the positions very clearly, and you will get the extra positions because you bought some here. So you can get a huge profits in this method. So one can expect the price range of 136 as the target for the stock, and entry is at current market price or at 108 level, which is a 0.168 retracement, and 22 percentage 22 rupees can be taken as the target. It's almost a 20% upside from the current market price. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you.